Ukhozi olumaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyu edweleni isivinini emafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha omdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidololozela zathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu Ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
To see absolute fabulousness. I know Prince for a while now, and I know that everything he puts out is just...
My expectation is like, I love anything good. I love fashion, so I'm looking forward to that.
And yourself?
Same, hey? I think fashion for the win, especially like the industry that we're in. We always have to know what's new, what's coming up. So it's good to come to stuff like this so we can like keep an eye on the trend.
As long as there's not too many expectations from Jojo that it's going to hurt the wallet, I'm happy.
Nice one. Yourself?
Just to be inspired by fashion, to see what's the next new trend,
celebrating fashion and men in fashion as well, and I think bringing in culture and editorial aesthetic, and why not,
awukho excited ukubona for a change kungabi mhlambe i-DFF kube umuntu osukumele wathi
wazenzela eyakhe yedwa not ukuthi alinde size sinikeze that platform. I'm very excited and nathi singama fashion designer amanye kuyasiza kuyasi-inspire kuyasiqhugquzela ukuthi nathi sizenzela wethu ama fashion show. In fact it's like big.
I'm very happy. Ngifuna nje ukuchazele ama viewers ethu ukuthi igama Resqué Collection libaluleke kakhulu for into aduzama ukuyenza lana and ubachazela usisukaphi.
So basically the show was just basically us paying homage to Youth 76, and we are saying we are fighting ngendlela yethu for 2023, and we are saying no one is coming to rescue us. We are saying the government is not going to save us. The degree that you got 4 years ago is not going to save you. Asibambisane, asisize. If you've got 500 rands, ekhoneni lakhe lamonti kamash. Let's start. Let's move away from this job-consuming mentality to a creation, mentality where sisukuma siyazenzela izinto as intsha.